Hey guys, Jeff here. About to take another tour. Beautiful house down here in Sandy Springs, Georgia. It's another modern, very cool on the outside. I'm gonna go inside, take a couple of videos for you guys, show you a little bit about it. This thing is, as you can see me walking backwards here, what it's got, but pretty cool. I'll let you know how the inside looks. Stay with me, Jeff Beal, VPR Luxury Properties. So there you have it. That was an incredible tour of this home. It's basically like a treehouse in the woods. What you don't really see, and I'm gonna try to turn around, it is designed and built right here in the middle of the forest. There's not really any neighbors right around you, so it's pretty cool. I'll put all the details below, guys. If you're interested, let me know. This is Jeff Beal, VPR Luxury Properties. Thanks a lot for touring homes with me today. Have a great afternoon. See ya. Bye-bye.